Hey, I've been coming to this campground, Ocean View Resort Campground, for several years now, maybe even 10. I don't know. The older I get, time flies right by me. So I, it dawned on me, I've never given you a tour. So why don't you come along, follow me, and I'll give you a tour of this place. This is a nice place. I like it, and we're going to keep coming back. So come on, let's go. And as you can see, as you come into the front gate there, they have firewood bundles for sale and ice. And let me tell you, this is a very well patrolled campground. Visitors have to have a pass. They give you a gate key. You swipe your gate key and the gates come up. It's not manned 24 hours, but during working hours it is. They got a large parking area to give you access to everything that's up front of the campground, like this laundry facility. They have several of these laundry facilities throughout the campground that's just not up front, and it's all modern and well maintained and clean.
Right there. Sam. Leave me out. He's going to get pushed. There we go. There we go, Phil. He's coming to you. He's going to get hit. He's coming back.
And they got an arcade here right next to the laundry room for the kids and the bigger kids. This is right after Memorial Day weekend, and they were closed during the week because of short staffing. Once they get the staffing, they'll be reopening up throughout the summer. And they also got a little cafe there, ice cream shop, comfort foods, chicken nuggets. They got a pretty extensive menu, and it's a nice little place if you just want to run out and grab something quick to eat. And they got their hand-dipped ice cream. And they also have soft-serve ice cream, which I prefer. Here's their menu of the foods that they have. Pretty extensive. Let's take a walk into their brand new camp store, shall we? We were here a few years back, and they had such a little tiny office area and a little camp store. And then they were in the process of building this, and they tore the old store down. Quite an improvement over what they had. Here, let's take a walk around, show you a little bit what they have. As you can see that they have essentials, milk, eggs, grocery products. You go further back, they have a number of things that is helpful if you forget something from home. They have your camping supplies. They have toys for the kids, beach items, which you'll see why. They just have a number of items in there that if you forget something or you need something, I'm pretty sure that they're going to be able to furnish you with that. And they also have your common t-shirts, sweatshirts, hats, your souvenir products that says Ocean View Resort Campground on it. All in all, very, very nice accommodations for a store. They did a really nice job on this. You won't be disappointed. Now, right out front of the store, they have this amphitheater. Not only that, that's the train stop that takes you on a tour around the campground. Now, somewhere in the back, they have full-size tennis courts. They have basketball courts, as you can see the people playing. They also have pickleball courts. Yeah, pickleball. They also have overflow parking that you can park your boat, if you have a trailer or so forth, they have this whole field for extra parking. They also, all the way in that back corner, you can see they have a backstop, so I'm sure that that's a ball field. In the same area here, they also have an 18-hole miniature golf course, which is very well maintained. Beautiful little course. At the same area, right in front of all this, they have another laundry, which is all modern and well maintained and clean. Now as you come in the front gate, just to the left, you'll see an Olympic-sized swimming pool. And also within the pool area, they also have a splash park for the little ones. And there's a concession stand, which they have plenty of food there. It's really good food too. But this is where me and my family spend most of our time. We spend the time on the beach at the lake. If you would like a spot close to the water, I highly recommend that you wake up early, because you're going to need to set up your chairs, get your tent, get your umbrella, and set up on that spot, because if not, you're going to be off the water. Several times throughout the camping season, they have what they call their little flea market, which they set up around the perimeter of their store. And they have outside vendors come in, or if you're a camper, you can set up a table and bring your stuff and sell your stuff, as I do. Most of the time when they have their flea market, it's during major holidays, Memorial Day weekend, 4th of July, Labor Day weekend. As you've seen in the very beginning of the flea market, they were my tables. I sell the decals and whatever camping supplies that I might not be using at the time.
Oh, here's the bathrooms, men's rooms. You have all your stalls, sinks, very clean. Very nice. You got showers. Check out a shower stall here. You got a handicap shower. And it's 25 cents something for, I don't know, 5 minutes. You got the little changing areas. Changing areas, shower stalls. Not bad. Very clean.
And throughout the park, they have these log cabins. Now, I didn't get a chance to go in them. Friends of ours rent them out for Memorial Day weekend. So I didn't go in there and record because they had a lot of their personal items in there. But they have these set up throughout the park. They're air conditioned. They have a full bath and bed. They sleep like 8, maybe 10 people, depending on the size of the cabins. Here, as you can see, they have a lot of seasonal camps set up throughout the park. I would say 70%, 60, 70% of the park is seasonals. You cannot bring your camper in there and set up as a seasonal. You have to purchase their campground seasonal. Now here you got some spaces, back-in spaces for your camper, for weekenders, a week. This is heading to the back of their park. It's called Greenbrier. They're all different sections. They're called different sections. They got different names to them. This section here, as you can see, are very long. These are for your larger units, your fifth wheels, your larger motorhomes. I believe some of these might be pull-throughs. Heading to the back of the park, they have a small fishing pond. And as you can see, there's more seasonals. They got park models. This is the back of the park, and this is their little fishing pond. There's not a whole lot of fish in there. There are some largemouth bass, some bluegills. My grandson and my granddaughter, they like going back here and just, wetting a line. It gives them something else to do. This is the second water fountain. They also have one up in the center of the park. Well, that's the tour of Ocean View Resort Campground. Hey, I never said I was a tour guide, but I figured I'd let you all see what the campground looks like and some of the amenities. Just like any other campground, they got their pros and cons. All right, so but it is a nice place. We come here every Memorial Day weekend, and we'll probably continue to keep coming back. So if you see us here, yell out, "Hey, Papa!" I'll wave to you. Might even have a beer with you. Come on into the camp, sit down, have some fun. It's what RVing is all about. Getting to know people and having fun. All right. Hey, thanks for watching. Okay. Don't forget, hit the subscribe. Check out these 2 videos. All right. Hey, we'll catch you on the next one. Hope you enjoyed.